There you go.
All right, we're back for box break 2. That last box is pretty sick. We got a 4-color ultimate patch, Pedro Martinez. A little Justin Upton rookie action. First pack. Let's see what we get. Whoa, upper deck. What are you doing? What are you doing to me? Trying to rough up my cards. Let's see here. Johan Santana base. Scott Cashmere jersey numbered out of 75. Ooh, what is this? I got too excited. It's a Joe Nathan Ultimate Pastime Signatures redemption card. And Derek Jeter.
Nice.
Jersey, I'll take it. So we'll just kind of line them up like that.
Redeem.
Here I was thinking Dice K. Man, I hate redemptions. How fun is it to wait 3 months in the mail and not get your card yet? Second pack, here we go. What is going on? That's the patch. Save that puppy for last. Huh. That's a patch. Wait a second. Maybe I was wrong. Yep, I was wrong. See here. Manny Ramirez base. Matt Cain jersey.
What?
Oh. 2007 Ultimate Collection Baseball Ultimate Star Materials autographed, numbered out of 15, Ken Griffey Jr.
Silver gloss, baby.
Oh.
Wow.
And Cal Green. Ooh. That card. Ooh. Ken Griffey Jr. There you go.
Wow. That's not even the patch yet. This is
Oh,
a pretty good
yeah.
box there, son. Pretty nice.
Shaping up pretty. Be
Wow.
jealous. Be jealous. Ken Griffey Jr. is solid to the end. Oops. Come on. All right, we got Roger Clemens base. We got Travis Hafner jersey. We got a Chris Young auto. And David Ortiz gold jersey. I don't know, Ken Griffey Jr. autographed jersey. That's a pretty money card right there.
Number to 15.
All right, last pack, folks. Here comes the patch. All right. We have Frank Thomas on top. That's Homer Bailey, rookie auto. Ken Griffey Jr. jersey. And Aramis Ramirez patch. Number 22 out of 25. It's a pretty nice patch too. Very cool. Give you guys a little recap here. 2 Jeter jerseys in the same box. All right, guys, we're out.